Hello you guys, I wanted to make a quick video talking about mag compatibility for the Glock 17 by VFC. It is the Gen 5. Starting off first, of course, the original VFC mag will slide in there like butter. Next we have the TTI by EMG. This one will lock in, fire, but you do have to pull it out. It will not drop on its own. Then we have the KJW magazine. This one's definitely a little stiffer, but it still will shoot. Oh, you definitely have to pull it out of there. Next, we have the Action Army. So this is go into an APO1. Fires. Little hard, not as bad as the KJW. Lastly, we do have a Cthulhu magazine. So Lancer Tactical. Oh, this one slides right out. Next, I did want to show you guys how to get to your hop-up to adjust it. So first, you're going to pull back the slide, push this side and this side of the pin, push downwards, push forward, and here's where your hop-up is going to be. This little dial is what's going to control how much hop or how much pressure you put onto the BB, allowing it to fly a little better. That would be all. Thank you for watching.